Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see more rules of inheritance. Yesterday we saw about single inheritance. Now we will see second one, that is multi-level inheritance. Okay. So what is multi-level and inheritance? There is parent one, that is demo one, and its child is demo two, and its child is demo three. So demo one, the parent of demo two is demo one. Demo two extend to demo one, and demo three extend to demo two. Demo two is parent and demo three is child. Like three phases. Demo one is parent, demo two is child, and then demo two is parent. The child of demo two is demo three. There are three cycles, one and two. Parent child, parent child. Okay. So multi-level inheritance is permitted. Now we will see with the code. We will give a name as multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now give a main method. Here we will give a class. What is our first parent? That is demo one. Demo one. So we'll give as a demo one class demo one. Now we'll give a method public void void demo. We should give a function name. First letter should be capital. Okay. Demo 2, demo 1, function 2, child demo 2, and then class demo 3 extends demo 2. And 3. Inside demo Now we will call make a object of demo3. D is equal to new demo3. Now call d dot fun1, d dot fun2, d dot fun3. Now the output. So the output is inside demo1, inside demo2, inside demo3. Here we didn't make the object of demo1 and demo2. Then also we are getting the output. How? Because there is a parent-child relationship. So we are calling this d dot fun1. So it is the object of demo3, but here we are calling fun1. So it will print fun1, then it come back to here, and then print fun2, then it come back to here, then print fun3. Okay, if you remove it and put it here, now see, demo2, demo1, and demo3. These three are printing because we are calling demo d dot fun2, fun1, and fun3. Okay, so this is multi-level inheritance. It is permitted in Java, and single inheritance. It is also permitted in Java. So in the next class, we will see about rule 3. Okay, thank you.